Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to free up a space on Windows 10. So let's begin the video. You can use storage settings to free up spaces. Press Windows plus I on your keyboard. This will open the settings. Now go to System. Then click on Storage from the list of options available here. Under Local Disk, you will see temporary files listed here. Click on it. Now from here select what you want to delete, like recycle bin, temporary files, thumbnails, or anything else. Once you select what you want to delete, click Remove Files. This will remove temporary files and free up a space. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to Initial Solution for more helpful tutorials.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.